Good morning, guys. Just a few things I have in mind today is to unwind a little, keep calm, and enjoy every bit as I go. Not thinking much and just drawing something up on a piece of paper like this takes me back a good few years when things were much simpler. Doing the same today is helping me loosen up a bit. If there was something that you once liked to do, I think redoing it again in little ways possible may help you feel good or maybe a little relaxed even. I'm going to hold that thought there, and as you can see, I have a stair basket in mind. We always end up having random stuff left on the stairs that either needs to be taken upstairs or downstairs. So I thought making a stair basket like this would keep the area tidy. So today here I have two sturdy cardboard boxes. Both needs to be cut down a little and aligned. I'm starting with this tall box here. I have been putting this off for a long time now, but today let's get it done. However, this smaller box happens to be wider than the width of the steps on our stairway, so cutting it down too. I think we have now got both the boxes aligned and cut to the right measurement so it stays flush on the stairs. Got this lovely runner rug from IKEA during a sale for just £5 as I remember, but I've realized the white stripe on this rug would often get soiled easily in my hallway, especially having 2-3-year-olds running around. So I thought this rug would be a good cover to the stair basket I just put together. The material is quite tough, and I'm hoping the color and the stripy pattern of the rug matches the existing decor of my stairway. So I'm cutting the rug to match the size of the stair basket, and we're using a glue gun to stick the rug onto the cardboard boxes. I'm pulling out the edges as you can see and keeping it aside for now, and would use it later on for the basket. I think we have now got both the boxes aligned and cut to the right measurement so it stays flush with the stairs. I also cut down the sides of the boxes like this and taped it down so it feels like one whole basket. Here I'm using a nail to make a hole just big enough to thread through a cable tie, and then secure this old belt I had to make a handle. As you can see, I've also threaded a metal wire through the belt so it would hold its shape. I wanted the handle to stay in place so it's easy to grab it on the go while on the stairway. We got this Hessian potato sack at Morrison's, and I thought I could use it to line the inside of the stair basket to give it a rustic look inside. I glued it and used the scissors to hold it down like so. Now to finish it all, I covered up the cable tie with this little bow I made with the remains of the Hessian bag. And as you can see, I used up the edges of the IKEA rug to outline the stair basket. I'm so glad I finally decided to make this, as we have already started using this on a regular basis. And every time I go past it, I think it blends in perfectly on our stairs and strangely gives a cozy feel too. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this little DIY. If you did, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. So see you in the next one. Lots of love and God bless.